How to launch Excel. Skill number 1. In God we trust, all others must bring data. W. Edwards Deming. How to launch Excel. Across the bottom of your Windows desktop, you have your taskbar. The taskbar contains the Start button, which is a clickable button on the lower left-hand corner. The Start menu provides access to all the programs you have installed on your computer. A couple of ways to launch Excel. If Excel is pinned in your Start area, you can also click on it. But once you click on the Windows logo, you can scroll down to the letter E to find Excel, and here it is. Once you click on Excel, it launches the application. The application will open giving you several options. You can start a new workbook. You can open an existing workbook. You also have a listing of some of the recently opened workbooks that you have. And a workbook is a collection of worksheets. So it's nothing more than just a flat file that you open, edit, and can save. So that's how you launch Excel. And if I were to click on blank workbook, I would have a blank sheet. If I were to open up my most recent, this data comes directly from an online database called the Federal Reserve Bank Economic Data Bank. And in subsequent lessons, I will walk you through how to download some of this data and how to manipulate it in order to obtain some business intelligence from this information. So that's how you launch Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program where you enter, manipulate, calculate, create charts, add text. We refer to a workbook, and this is in fact a workbook. We refer to a workbook as a collection of worksheets. So here is a worksheet, FRB data. I can add additional worksheets. The number of worksheets you can add in here is only limited by the storage capacity, memory storage capacity of your computer system. Now, each worksheet is also called, we simply tend to refer to it simply as a sheet, but it consists of rows and columns. So in the next lesson, we'll get more into what worksheets are and how you can use worksheets to enter in data. Data is simply facts. Facts by itself is meaningless unless we summarize it and present it in some meaningful way that gives us business intelligence. So we'll take a look at that in the next session, in the next skill session. See you then.